Welcome to Dream on Wheels, your place for exploring campervans that are designed not just for travel, but for real, everyday living on the road. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at a campervan that focuses on something very important: practical space, because when it comes to van life, especially when traveling with more than one or two people, space and layout make all the difference. And that's exactly where today's model stands out. Introducing the Roller Team Livingstone 5 Go, a campervan designed to offer more seating, more sleeping capacity, and a layout that works for families or group travel, all while staying within a compact and manageable size. In this full tour, we'll explore everything from the exterior design to the interior layout, kitchen, sleeping setup, bathroom, and overall driving experience. From the outside, the Livingstone 5 Go presents a clean and practical design. It doesn't try to be overly aggressive or flashy. Instead, it focuses on usability and functionality. The proportions are well balanced, giving it a strong presence on the road while still maintaining the compact footprint of a campervan. This makes it easier to drive compared to larger motorhomes. The sliding door on the side provides quick access to the main living area, something that becomes very useful during everyday travel. Whether you're stopping for a short break or setting up for the night, easy access makes a big difference. Large side windows allow natural light to enter the interior, helping the space feel more open and less confined. At the rear, the double doors open wide, giving access to both the storage area and sleeping setup. This also adds flexibility, making it easier to load gear, luggage, or outdoor equipment. Overall, the exterior design focuses on simplicity, practicality, and everyday usability. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how the layout is designed to accommodate more people comfortably. This is not a typical two-person campervan. It's built with group travel in mind. At the front, the driver and passenger seats swivel around to become part of the living area. This creates a larger seating space, allowing multiple people to sit together comfortably. The dining table is centrally positioned, making it accessible from all seats. It's designed for shared use, whether it's for meals, planning trips, or simply relaxing indoors, despite having more seating. The space doesn't feel overly crowded. Everything is arranged in a way that maintains balance and usability. During the day, large windows bring in natural light, making the interior feel bright and welcoming. At night, soft ambient lighting creates a more relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. This is a space designed for real use, not just occasional travel. The kitchen is compact but well organized. It includes the essentials needed for cooking on the road: a stove, a sink, and enough counter space for basic meal preparation. While the countertop area is limited, it's designed to be used efficiently. Storage plays a key role here. Cabinets and drawers provide space for utensils, groceries, and everyday items. Everything is positioned to be easily accessible without cluttering the area. A refrigerator is also included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips without frequent stops. For families or small groups, this setup works well. It supports simple, everyday cooking without adding complexity. One of the standout features of the Livingstone 5 Go is its sleeping capacity. This campervan is designed to accommodate multiple people, making it ideal for families or group travel. The sleeping arrangement is flexible, allowing different configurations depending on your needs. The main sleeping area provides a comfortable space for rest, with enough room to relax properly. Additional sleeping spaces are integrated into the design, allowing the campervan to support more occupants without completely sacrificing comfort. This is where the layout becomes especially valuable. It's not just about adding more beds, it's about making sure those beds are usable. Storage around the sleeping area is also well thought out. Overhead cabinets provide space for personal items, while under-bed storage allows you to keep larger items organized. Everything is designed to support real use. The bathroom is compact but functional inside. You'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower, all integrated into a small space. The layout is designed to make daily routines simple and efficient. Everything is positioned within reach, making it easy to use even in a limited area. Storage compartments allow you to keep toiletries organized and accessible. Having a private bathroom on board adds a significant level of convenience. It allows you to travel more freely without relying on external facilities. And for group travel, this becomes even more important. The Livingstone 5 Go feels manageable and easy to handle. Despite offering more interior space and seating, it still maintains the drivability of a compact campervan. This makes it suitable for city driving, parking, and navigating tighter roads. The driving position offers good visibility, helping maintain confidence behind the wheel even on longer journeys. The experience remains comfortable and stable. This balance between space and drivability is one of its strongest advantages. When you look at the campervan as a whole, what stands out is how well it supports real travel situations. It's designed for people who don't want to travel alone, people who want to share the experience, whether it's family trips, road adventures with friends, or longer journeys. The layout makes it possible. Everything feels practical, everything feels usable, and that's what makes the experience enjoyable. The Roller Team Livingstone 5 Go is not about luxury overload. It's about smart design and practical living. It offers more seating, more sleeping space, and a layout that works for real people in real situations, and that's what makes it stand out. The Roller Team Livingstone 5 Go brings together practicality, flexibility, and thoughtful design in a way that suits real-world travel. It offers a layout that works efficiently, a space that adapts to different needs, and a setup that makes traveling with more people both comfortable and manageable. Rather than focusing on unnecessary complexity, it delivers what truly matters: usability, comfort, and a well-balanced living experience on the road. If this is the kind of campervan that fits your travel style, it's certainly one worth exploring further. Thank you for watching Dream on Wheels. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing for more in-depth campervan and motorhome content. We'll see you in the next video.